Oh, did I accidentally? Oh.
Should I pass somebody?
Oh, even the guy in the office. He's no clue, he's in the video. I will hear your message. Welcome to all our new members on the Facebook page.
I've got 27.
Press it.
So is that shared to the screen?
Yeah.
Oh, how come I can still see me then?
Well, right there, you'll be able to click share to see a preview. So, because that screen's first, that's what you're seeing.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the bid opening for RFB 2491, lumber, HVAC supplies, and miscellaneous building materials. This is Nina Wells. I will be opening bids, and I am here with Christy Sager, and she will be recording bids on the bid tab, which you should see on the screen if you have joined by computer. I have 7 hard copy submissions and 2 electronic submissions for RFB 2491. We will now start the bid opening. Our first one is AFT Mechanical. I have an original and a copy. We're missing a signature with the notary public. They have the stamp, they just need the signature.
For doing a sexual harassment.
Yes. Commodity number 1, lumber, no bid. Commodity number 2, HVAC supplies, 7%. Is list price included with the bid? It says no here. Commodity 3, drywall, no bid. Commodity 4, steel studs, no bid. Catalog.
Hang on, it doesn't like the way I have the numbers set up. Or let me try this. Percentage, there we go. There we go.
Okay.
Thanks.
Catalog bid, no bid. Special order non-stock items, 7%. And is list price included? It says no. The second bid is from RP Fedder, Fedder Industrial. I think I just have 1 copy. On the sexual harassment, I need a signature from the notary public. This looks good.
Did you say there's only one copy?
One copy, yes. Commodity number 1, lumber, no bid. Commodity number 2, HVAC supplies, 5 through 15%. Percentage variance on the vendor manufacturers, and the list price is not included. Commodity number 3, drywall, no bid. Commodity number 4, steel studs, no bid. Catalog bid 5 through 15%. And again, percentage varies per vendor. And is the list price included with the bid? No. Meyer Supply Company Incorporated is our next one. It's MEIER.
They didn't have anything for the special order.
No, I apologize. I didn't read it off.
MEYER, Myers.
MEIER.
Sounds.
You should bring that up to its sheet over when I come over. Should know that. I have just one copy. We'll need a signature on the notary for the sexual harassment. Commodity number 1, no bid. Commodity number 2, 2 through 10%. Discount off is product specific, so. And it does not include a list price. Commodity number 3, no bid. Commodity number 4, no bid. Catalog bid, no bid. Special order non-stock items, 2 to 10%. Discount off is product specific, and there is no list price.
What you're saying there's only one copy, it means they didn't provide a copy, they only put the original in there.
Correct. So you just have to make a copy to send it, that's all. Oh, I'm sorry. Herman HVAC Products, LLC. We have an original and a copy. All's in order. Commodity number 1, lumber, no bid. HVAC supplies, 20 to 35%. And again, theirs is the same, several variables will be there. Does not include a bid list, too many to list. Commodity number 3, drywall, oh, excuse me, that's a no bid for drywall. There's quite a bit of a note here, you may want to look at that one.
Yeah.
Just a second, I'll put on there. Commodity number 4, no bid. Catalog bid, no bid. Special order, non-stock items, 10 through 20%. And there is no bid list, or no, excuse me, price list. It's too many to list. And there's a lot of customizable stuff also. It's the same type of note.
A lot of HVAC so far. Lumber.
This is Hvac Energy Systems, and that's Gukkian.
Energy systems?
Correct. There's one original and one copy. Okay, commodity number 1, no bid. Commodity number 2, discount is product specific, varies by product, so there's not a percentage off in here. Commodity number 3, drywall. Commodity number 4, oh, no bid, sorry, excuse me, can't you read my mind? Commodity number 4, steel studs, no bid. Catalog bid, discount is product specific, varies by product. Special order, non-stock items, discount is product specific, varies by product. There is not a list pricing in here for any of that. The next one is Chaco lumber. There's one copy and one original. Commodity number 1, 5%. And the list price is not included with the bid. Commodity number 2, no bid. Commodity number 3, 2.5%. No list price included with the bid. Commodity number 4, 5%. No list price included with the bid. Catalog bid, 5%. No list price included with the bid. Special order is priced per item, and no list price included with the bid. The next one is IRR supply.
Where did we see that?
We have one original and one copy. And the paperwork's good. Commodity number 1, no bid. Commodity number 2, 10 to 25%, no list price included with the bid. Commodity number 3, no bid. Commodity number 4, no bid. Catalog bid, no bid. Special order non-stock items, 10 to 25%. No list price included with the bid. On to the electronic bids. This is DBM Controls. There's no notary on sexual harassment. Commodity number 1, no bid. Commodity number 2, HVAC supplies. There's 3 different types here that they have listed. B and G, 30 to 35%. Johnson, 50%. Honeywell, 50%.
Johnson, 50%, wow.
And the list price for this is included for all 3 of those. And the remainder is no bid. The last one we have here is Modular Comfort Systems. The paperwork's in order. Commodity number 1, no bid. Commodity number 2, 15%, no list price included with the bid. Commodity number 3, no bid. Commodity number 4, no bid. Catalog bid, no bid, and special order, no bid.
That's the last one.
Yep, that's the last one. This concludes the bid opening for RFB 2491, lumber, HVAC supplies, and miscellaneous building materials. The bid tab will be posted to BidNet either later today or early tomorrow morning. Thank you and have a great day.